Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, Professor. In this time, I'm going to display the access controller. As we can see here, in this part, we have an if with an access controller. That is another class that we have created. Then we have this part when we send to the HTTP three lists, one of resource, another role, another access. Basically, because in the ad we receive this list and we compare, no, with a list of access and see that the access that we have created doesn't exist, basically. Then we send the form in the method to post and create the access. In the access controller index, in the same, we send three lists, one of the access, because in the access only we uh, receive the IDs of role and resource, and we send to the index because we call the ID that we have already saved in the access and compare with the ID of role and resource, and in this way we have the name of the role and the resource. In the access controller view, it's the same. But in this time we have an ID that is of the access we have or we wanna see. We send to list one of the role and the resource because of the same problem that we have in index to see the name basically, and to send to the HTTP. Then we have the access controller edit that is way too similar to the access controller add. We send again three lists, one of role, resource, another of access. Basically to that, not to prove that it doesn't need repeating, or if we update the access, it's gonna to prove that it doesn't exist. And then we receive the form in the method to post to update the access. The access delete, we receive the ID, the parameter ID. We call this method that we have created to proceed and delete the access. Then we are gonna pass and explain to the and now in the web app we are in the index of access and we're going to create a new one. We're going to create user and product add comment. Create. Wait. And yeah, here we have user and product add comment. Why we are going to edit user? I don't know. What about role? Now we're going to see one user product. Edit user only the index of product here, and as I had explained before, in the index or in the edit HTTP with the list that we received of the servlet, we prove with a script if the access we want to edit doesn't exist or not. We're going to edit this one and we're going to put billing edit. Then we see here the view. We go on access again. We have this one that was update. We're going to create another one and user billing. Great. I had explained before in this HTTP add, the same as edit. If we prove if the access does exist or not. Thanks.